DepEd Vision. We dream of Filipinos who passionately love their country and whose values and competencies enable them to realize their full potential and contribute meaningfully to building the nation. As a learner-centered public institution, the Department of Education continuously improves itself to better serve its stakeholders. DepEd mission: to protect and promote the right of every Filipino to quality, equitable, culture-based, and complete basic education where students learn in a child-friendly, gender-sensitive, safe, and motivating environment. Teachers facilitate learning and constantly nurture every learner. Administrators and staff, as stewards of the institution, ensure an enabling and supportive environment for effective learning to happen. Family, community, and other stakeholders are actively engaged and share responsibility for developing lifelong learners. DepEd core values: maka-Diyos, makatao, makakalikasan, at makabansa.
Mabuhay! Good day to all! I am your tutor Madge. Welcome to ETUlay, a free online tutorial, an initiative of the Department of Education, Information and Communications Technology Service, Educational Technology Unit, ICTS EdTech. This program is aimed at helping and assisting learners from kindergarten, senior high school, ALS, Alive, and SPED learners. Aside from answering the modules, the ETUlay is offering programs which you will surely look forward to. Together with our parents and teachers, the ETUlay will bridge the gaps where difficulty and ease meet in learning new knowledge and skills. So, let us prepare our module, pen and paper. Ready your mind to see and hear worthwhile and interesting lessons. Let us now study and learn, together with our volunteer online tutors. Tara na!
Yes, good morning mga ka-ETUlay, ka-Techquiz, no? So, Friday once again, no? So, good morning po, no? So, sa ating mga viewers for today, sa ating Facebook at sa live po tayo sa Facebook at sa YouTube, no? So, welcome po sa Java Programming. So, this is your tutor Bell from SDO Bataan. So, 11 to 12 po tayo lagi every Friday. So, yan po, no? So, for today, no? So, for our Java program for quarter 3, week 6. So, we're going to discuss still on array po tayo, no? So, using the array class in Java. Remember po, last week po, we have discussed sort, no? So, the bubble sort. So, paano ba mag-bubble sort? No? So, yan po yung diniscuss natin last time. So, we will still continue the array. No? So, napakalawak po kasi ng array po natin. No? So, yan. Okay. So, you're expected today to use the array class. No? So, yan. So, ang class po, no? So, remember, our class, pinadadali po niyan yung ating buhay. No? So, meron pong mga methods yan na magpapadali po ng ating buhay. So kung nahihirapan po tayo sa Java, no, the array class, specifically for the array, no, so ang array class po ay sagot, no, so sa mga nahihirapan po sa array, no, so meron pong ginawa, no, na specifically for array na mga classes that would help us, no, so yung pagsusort, no, so pag-convert from string, no, from integer to string, no, so meron pong mga classes na built-in na po. We will just use the package para po maggamit natin. Hindi na po natin konting coding na lang ang kailangan. Yan. Good morning sa ating viewers for today kay Irene Wahe, no, so one of my students in Pagalanggang National High School. Good morning, Irene. Okay. So, Ang sabi natin, no, so Java provides an array class, no? So ang Java po, no, so meron po siyang mga languages and objects, no? So ang utils po, no, meron din po siyang mga classes, no, sa arrays, no? So kaya ang gagamitin po natin na package is java.utils.arrays, no? So yan po yung ating tatawagin na package when we want to use these classes in manipulating our arrays like searching, sorting. No? So these are very useful methods po that we could use. Yan. Yan po. So, okay. So, ang isa po no na katangian no ng array list class no. So one of them is the array list class. Ang array list class po could dynamically resize, no? So resizable po siya, automatic, no? Nagre-resize to accommodate the new item. So mag-add tayo yung array po natin, we could add an item and then automatic po mag-extend yung ating array size, no? Para i-accommodate yung ating new item. Yan, no? So ang array list class din po could remove an item at any point in an array list container and the array size contracts automatically. Yan. So, good morning then kay Rayceline Karel. No? So, from uh, Rayceline Pineda. No? So, ACNTS. Good morning. Thank you for watching today. Yeah. So, ayan po. No? So, array list, no? So, one of the classes that we could use. No? So, sabi ko nga, para magamit natin yung package na yan, we have to import the package called util.array list, no? So, and then, o kaya naman, para hindi na tayo mahirapan, import java.util.asterisk na. No? So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng mga packages, lahat ng mga methods around sa ating util ay nandiyan na po lahat. So, gamitin po natin. We have to put that sa taas. No? Bago po yung ating declaration ng ating name ng class. No? So, for example, so paano ba mag-declare ng isang array list, no? So using the default constructor, no? So array list and then the name of the array equal new array list, no? So array list students example equal new array list and then the size of the array, no? So samplean po natin yan later. So papakita ko po sa inyo sa IntelliJ kung paano po yan nagwo-work mamaya. Ayan po. No? So we have different methods po no? So that we could use using this array. No? So these are very useful methods of the array list class. No? So for example, no, we have an array and we want to add an item to that array list. No? Or what if we want to get the next available location? So, anong gagamitin natin? We have to use public, void, integer, and then yung object. Or, kung we want to remove an item from that array list, we will use public, void, remove, and then int. No? So, if we want to alter an item at a specified array list, so we will use public, void, set, integer, and then the object. Okay? If we want to retrieve no, an item from a specified location in an array list, we will use public object, get, and then the integer. Okay, so when we want naman po to return the current array size, array list size, no, so we will use public int size open parentheses. No? So later po makikita nyo kung paano po yan gamitin. So this is an example program. Okay? So in this in this code, no? So in this program, meron po tayong array list, no? So ito yung ating we will declare an array list, no? So ang pangalan po ng ating array is students, no? So using the class array list, we want to add, no, an item to that list, to that array. We will use yung ating pangalan na po ng ating class, no? So balik tayo. Yung pangalan na po ng ating uh, class, no? Yung ating array, names dot add, no? So immediately po ma-add po 'yan dun sa ating panibagong array list, no? So names dot add pow, no? So tapos we want to display it, simply call the name of the array list, no? So display students open parentheses. Yan po, no? So kung gusto naman po natin siyang i-display, no? So display and then the name of the array list. So kung isa-isa natin siyang gustong i-display, so we will use the for statement po, no? So ito po 'yan. So gagamitan po natin siya ng for statement para magkaroon ng iteration. So for looping, magkaroon ng iteration po for the display of each item in that array. Ayan po. Okay, so punta po tayo sa IntelliJ, no? So para po makita natin, okay? I want you to take a look at this, no? So this is my IntelliJ. Close ko lang po yung iba. Wait lang po. May ginagawa po kasi ako kanina, no? Okay. But I'll be showing you how does an array list works, no? So this is my first demo. Yan. So this one would actually sort, no? Ito ko lang yung array demo 4 ko. I-move ko muna para hindi siya okay po. Yan. So this is my array class, first array class demo. Ay, wait, saan tayo? Wait lang. Iba yung na-open. Wait lang po. Close natin itong ating array bubble sort. Close po natin to. Okay, so we only need this one. Okay? So, ano po ang gagawin po nito? Okay? So, sabi natin, we have different classes. No? So, good morning kay Emmanuel Owell. Ayan. Morning na. Okay, so this is actually, so punta tayo, balik tayo dito. Okay? Para makita nyo muna. Okay? So, yung aking sample. Okay, so this one, so another useful methods po ng array list class is the sort, no? And then yung toString, no? So it returns the name of the calling constant object. So dito muna po tayo sa sort, no? So let's go back to our IntelliJ. So this will sort, no? So ano ba yung ating array? Okay? So our array contains 12. Okay, so these are integers. 12, 27, 18, 3, 5, 2, 31. It's a series of numbers. 16, 13, and 21. So, ating original array is this one, no? So, ito po yung ating original. When we want to sort it, no? So, when we want to sort it, okay, so gagamitin po natin yung sort, no? So, the sort method. Napakadali lang po niya. All you have to do is, since ang ating array is, ang pangalan po na is int array, no? So, ito po yung ating display ko muna, yung original. So, ito po yung original na unsorted, no? So, these are unsorted. Hindi na natin kailangan gamitan ng bubble sort, no? Na 'di ba nag-bubble sort tayo last time, no? So sabing ganyan, nire-replace, dinalagay sa dulo yung pinakamataas. That is why it's called bubble sort. Naiiwan yung pinakamababa sa unahan, no? So nagsisink in pababa yung pinakamataas. So we will not do that anymore because pinadali yung buhay natin ng array sort method. Okay? So simply ang gagawin lang po niya, no? Ang gagawin lang po is tawagin natin yung, dahil ginamit natin, inimport natin yung java.util.arrays, no? Magagamit na natin ngayon yung method na sort ng array class. Okay? So this is it. No, simply, ang gagawin mo lang, you call the method. Okay? So yung ating class na arrays, and then yung method na sort, no? So and then ano bang class? Ano bang array? Anong name nung array na iso-sort mo, okay? So open parenthesis, the name of the array na iso-sort niya, okay? Masusort na po 'yon. Instantly, masusort na po 'yon without using the bubble sort, na pinahihirapan pa tayo the bubble sort, no? So meron pa lang ganito, no? So para padiliin yung buhay natin sa pagsusort, okay, we will use the package java.util.arrays, no? So pag ni-run po natin 'yan, no? So ano pong mangyayari, no? So tandaan lang natin, the name of the method arrays dot sort. Okay? The name of the array to be sorted. Ganun lang po kadali. At sort na po yung laman, yung content ng ating array, kung anong sequence po yan, kung anong nakalagay po doon sa ating array. No? So, tayin po natin. Nagko-compile po siya. It's compiling now. So, habang nagko-compile, yan. Nagbi-build pa po siya. No? So, tapos po mangyayari, no? So, we will print the altered already, no? So, gagamitan naman po natin siya ng, dahil numbers to, these are numbers. Okay, so pagka dinisplay po natin yan on our screen, we would convert it first sa string, no? So, para ma-convert na lahat po yan, no? So, yung ating numbers na yon to be convert sa string, ang tatawagin naman po natin is toString method, no? Ng array list class. No? So, meron na po tayong ginamit dito na dalawang method immediately, no? So, we have used the sort method and we have used the toString method. So, ang ginagawa naman po ng toString method is just converting the numbers to string, no? So kasi po dito pag nagde-display tayo, no, ang pwede lang nating i-display is dapat ma-convert muna po into a string, no? So string. No, kaya ginamit natin yung method ng array list class na toString, no? So sabi dito sa aking presentation kanina, okay, we will use this toString and the sort. No? ToString returns the name of the calling constant object, and then sorts an array naman yung sort. No? So kaya po dito, okay, so naka-hit tayo ng two birds in one stone. No? So naggamit po tayo ng sort and gumamit po tayo ng ito na po yung input natin. So, ito yung output natin. Okay, so di ba dinisplay po natin dito yung ating original array, which is 12, 27, 18, 3. Okay, 5, 2, 31, 19, 16, 13, 21. Kung nag-bubble sort po tayo dyan, compare first the first two numbers, di ba? just like what we have discussed last time. So is 12 greater than or less than 27? So since 12 is less than 27, stays at 12, and then we will move on to the next two numbers. 20 is 27 greater than or less than 18, no? So since 27 is greater than, move siya. Pupunta po siya sa ilalim. So magre-replace po sila ng 27 and 18. So ganon sa bubble sort. Pero hindi na po natin gagawin po yan dahil we have this so-called array list class na merong method na sort. No? So pinadali yung ating buhay by just simply calling the sort method of the package java.util.arrays. No? So, if you will notice po, no, so sa ating output na sorted array, so in-apply niya po dyan yung ating bubble sort. So, 2, ang naging ascending po siya, no? So, 2, 3, 5, 12, 13. So, dahil bubble sort po, ang behind theory ng ating sort na method from our array list class from the package java.util.arrays is bubble sort, no? So nilagay niya po sa ilalim yung 31, which is the highest or the largest number, no? So kaya naging 2, 3, 5, 12, 13, 16, 18, 19, 21, 27, 31. The reason why I discussed first yung bubble sort nung nakaraang linggo para at least you know the theory behind, no? So dapat po alam natin na hindi lang na bakit nangyari itong class na to, itong method na sort na to from the array list. So paano ginawa, no? So ganun po ang ginawa po diyan using the bubble sort, no? So lahat po ng nasa ilalim yung pinakamamataas na number, no? So and then nasa taas naman po yung pinakamababang number kung ascending, no? So if it is descending, baligtad na po ang mangyayari diyan. Okay? So that's what happened to this. Napakadali na po, no? So hindi na natin kailangang mag-bubble sort because we have this array that sort, open parentheses, the name of the array, no? So napakadali. 1, 2, 3 lang. It's easy as 1, 2, 3, no? Samantalang if you take a look, no? So pakita ko ulit sa inyo yung ating bubble sort. Okay? So remember this one, the bubble sort. Gumamit tayo ng 4 statement na dalawang looping po ang ginawa natin, di ba? Okay? Para makuha natin, kino-compare natin if the two numbers is less than, no? So kapag hindi, pupunta siya doon sa susunod na number. Kapag naman greater than, no? Magre-replace sila, magsuswap, no? So there will be a swapping that will happen, no? So yan po yung nangyari po dyan. So in this case, wala na pong ganon, no? So we will not do that anymore. Pinadali yung buhay natin ng package na java.util.arrays, no? So yan po yan. So let us go back. So sana po naintindihan niyo po yung ating array list class na nagsusort, no? So and then nagko-convert from integer to string, no? So yung array that to string. Yan. No? So madami pa po, no? So there are still other method. Meron po tayong ang dami po niya, no? We have the value of, values, to string, equal, ordinal, compare, pero iisa-isahin po natin yan. Ay, nasan yung ating... Okay? So, iisa-isahin po natin yan no? Para po hindi po natin siya pwedeng pagsabay-sabayan, no? One at a time po tayo para mas maintindihan po natin yung RA because RA is the most one of the most complicated topic po in programming, no? Ng kahit anong programming language, RA po ang isa sa hindi po laging gusto ng mga programmers or for some reason hindi nila agad naintindihan, no? So ano po tayo, ah, bits by bits, no? So, wag po nating biglain. So, isa-isa lang po. O isa, dalawa, tatlo, no? So, okay? So, so this one, no? So, this is the example that I've shown you kanina, no? So, ito naman po, no? So, it will still sort, no? So, ang mangyayari po dito, uh, this one will just convert, no? This one will just convert ito, yung to string natin, no? So, kung kanina, ginamit natin din yung to string, dito naman, no? We have an array, no? We have an array and we just want to display the content of that array, no? So, to display the content of that array, we have to convert it to string, no? So, yung laman. Okay, to do that, no? So, gamit po tayo ng toString method. Okay, so let's take a look kung nagawa ba natin ito. So, yung ating sa array class demo 2. Okay, so this one. So this one is, okay, so this is it. So, but this one is still just nagsusort, okay, and nagko-convert. So, ganun din po siya. This is just another example of the sort method. Okay, so ang lagi po nating tatandaan, we have to import, no, the package para magamit natin yung ating array list class, para magamit natin yung if we will not call the java.util.arrays, we will not be able to use the sort method under that array class. Okay? So, okay, so nag-compile pa po siya. So, while compiling, tingnan natin po. Ayan. Absent ngayon yung aking mga masugid na televiewer from Camarines ba yun? No? So, lagi silang din dyan. No? Absent sila today. What happened to you guys? Okay, so yan po. So, we have completed the code successfully. So, tingnan natin. So our output, no? So, importante po na dapat laging may output. Kapag po hindi po siya nag-build, ibig sabihin, there's still some errors. Okay, so this is it, no? So, we have ang ating unsorted array is 25, 18, 15, 22, and 40. No? So, to sort that out, okay, so we will call arrays the method na sort. So, simply arrays that sort the name of the array. Okay, so gagamitan niya ng bubble sort, no? Theory. Okay, so but we will not nasa ano yan, behind the scene na po 'yon, no? So and then we will display, okay, so we will cannot display it dahil integer po siya. So we still have to convert it to string. So but we will not, para hindi na tayo mahirapan, no? So we will be using the array list class and then yung toString method ng array list class, no? So kaya po naging ascending 15, 18, 22, 25, and 40 po yung ating output, no? So yan po yung ating output. So let's go back. Okay, so yan po yan, no? So dito naman po it's 20, 30, 50, 70, and 100, no? So this is just converting, no? So from string integer to string, no? So kaya naging 20, 50, this is not sorted, no? So but still the same. Nakasort naman siya, no? Kaya wala pong nangyaring sorting po dyan. It's just converting using the array that to string. Okay po? Okay, so next slide. Ayan, no? So okay, so ayan, no? So let's have a quiz. So number 1. Okay, so the array class contains methods for manipulating arrays such as binary search, fill, and sort. So sabi natin, we have so many methods, no, ng ating array list class, no. So isa diyan yung binary search, fill, sort, to string, add, no, value of, compare to, equals, no. So contains methods po ba siya? Is it true or false? So okay, so the answer is, syempre it is true, no? So our array class contains methods for manipulating arrays such as binary search, fill, and sorts. But we will be discussing more of that method. So for today, we're just going to discuss yung ating sort and the to string, no? So para po hindi po tayo mabigatan. Okay. So an advantage, second question, an advantage of the array list class over the arrays class is that an array list is dynamically resizable. Is it true or false? So is it true that that array list is dynamically resizable? So kung nagdagdag ka, no? So from 5 yung iyong array size, nagdagdag ka ng isa, will it become automatic na 6? Okay, so the answer is true, no? So automatic po yan, no? So ang ating answer is true. So these are my references for today. Ayan, so let's get ready. Imagine, start creating our own Java code, mga ka-coder, ka-tech quiz. No? So, okay. So, meron po akong iiwanan sa inyo. But this one is from the Pinterest na nakita ko lang po that captured my heart with regards to array. No? So, makaka-relate po yung ating mga youth. Sabing ganyan, my heart is an array with the size of 1. I only have room in it for you, no? So para po ito sa mga nag-i-stick to 1, no? So kung ang array mo is ang size lang is 1, so I only have room in it for you. So ibig sabihin ano po ito? Hindi po nangangaliwa, walang number 2, walang number 3, no? So dapat po ba lagi tayong ganyan? So, nasa sa inyo po yan. So, iniiwan ko po yan sa inyo. Ayan. Okay, no? So, ako po, kasama si Tutor Bell, no? So, for Java programming, ang mga kasamahan ko po na sina Tutor Pao, Tutor Ryan, at si Tutor Lon, no? So, every Friday po yan, magsama-sama po tayo from 9 a.m. to 12 noon. No? So, for your comments and suggestions, pakiscan lamang po yung nakikita niyong QR code, no? So, sa ating screen or i-click lamang po ninyo yung URL. Ayan. Okay, so thank you very much po. So, this is your Tutor Bell, no? So, for Java programming. So, magkita-kita po tayo every Friday, 11 to 12, no? So, thank you very much. Thank you. Bye! See you again po, mga ka-tech quiz!
Ang husay naman! Natapos mo ang iyong tutorial session kasama ang iyong mahusay na ETUlay tutor. May bago ka bang natutuhan? I-share na yan gamit ang hashtag #ETUlayLevelUp. Huwag aalis ha, dahil may susunod pang programa na pwede mo ring panoorin at salihan. Dahil naghihintay na ang iyong mga tutors. Happy learning dito sa ETUlay!